Hello investors and future investors, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how one stock can be used with two option strategies to generate weekly revenue on that same stock. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. For those of you on the weekly income team, welcome back. On this channel, we help you with option strategies that can give you consistent revenue and everything related to finance and investments. Welcome to Investment Gains. Let's jump right into it. So for today's video, we're going to be using SoFi Technologies, ticker symbol SOFI. So here we are on the SoFi option chain. So today what we're going to be doing, we're going to be selling options on this stock. So you could either sell a call or sell a put. They're both going to give you regular income. So let's start off by saying you do not already own 100 shares of SoFi. Then here's what you can do. You're going to go over to sell and put, and now we're going to select our strike date just 1 week out. So we're going to go to July 9th. So in order for this strategy to be the most effective, you're going to need to choose a strike price that's going to be below your share price. So we're going to be choosing the 16.5. Now for this, we're going to be receiving $42. Now in order for you to do this trade, you must leave a deposit of $1,650. As you know, one option contract is equal to 100 shares. So that being said, 1650 multiplied by 100 is going to give you $1,615. That is the collateral that you're going to need to leave before you could do this trade. So once you do this trade, right away you're going to receive $42 into your Robinhood buying power. Now this $42 is yours to keep no matter how this trade goes. So this trade can go either of two ways. The first way this trade could go is that if on July 9th, SoFi is trading at 1650 or above, then you get to keep your minimum credit, and then your $1,650 is going to be released back to you. So the other way this trade could go, if on July 9th again, SoFi is trading at 1650 or below, then now you're going to maintain your $42 minimum credit, but now you're going to be forced to buy 100 shares at 1650. So you're still going to win because now your cash balance is less than 1650, but you have acquired 100 shares. Now with those 100 shares, you could go ahead and sell covered calls, which brings us to our second sell that can be done on SoFi. Okay, so the second scenario is that you already own more than 100 shares of SoFi. So if you do own more than 100 shares of SoFi, what you could do is sell covered calls. So then you go to sell and call, and we're going to be using the same expiration date, July 9th. Now we're going to be selling a call at a $19 strike price, and for that we're going to be receiving $81. We hit review, there we have it. So once again, this is an option strategy that gives you money right away into your Robinhood buying power. So you're going to be receiving $81 directly into your Robinhood buying power, and once again, this money is yours to keep no matter how this trade goes. So once again, this trade could go either of two ways. So your first scenario is that on July 9th, SoFi is trading at $19 or below. Well, if that happens, then you get to keep your minimum credit, and you also get your 100 shares of you use as collateral released back to you. Then you could do the trade again the following week. Now, the other way this could go, if on July 9th again, SoFi is trading at $19 or above, then once again, you get to keep your minimum credit, and now you have to sell SoFi at $19. So this strategy makes you win in two ways, because remember, in the first one, when we sold the put, you acquired the shares for $1,650. Now you're forced to sell it at $1,900. So you make a gain there. So you make a gain from the difference of selling, and you also make a gain from your minimum credit. So no matter how you look at it, this is always a win-win. So both of these strategies are going to generate weekly revenue and keep your portfolio growing. Now, we have lots more strategies like this on this channel. So if you want to join the weekly income team, like and subscribe right now. Also, hit the notification bell to get an alert whenever I post a video. But most importantly, if there's anyone you know that can benefit from this video, please share it with them. Let's help as many as we can grow their portfolios. Thanks for watching, and remember to always take your investment gains.